Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and tonight we're making the easiest enchiladas recipe you've ever done. You can do this one during the week or whatever, because it's not a long cook. That's right. Some people call it lazy man enchiladas, lazy enchiladas, quick easy enchiladas. There's so many names for it. But it is so freaking awesome, and it only takes 3 ingredients. Now, we were going to cook it in the Z grills, but this is all Booger 500 US. It's her fault. She went live tonight, and she interrupted my cook. So now we're going to cook it in the oven. You will not see that part, but you'll see it when it comes out. It's going to be 350 degrees for, I don't know how many minutes yet. I'll have to ask Gigi. But you stay tuned. You watch these 3 ingredients get put in here. They're going to freak you out because they're going to be the softest, most delicious, quick enchiladas for a quick meal. We're going to be right back with Papa Texas. First thing you're going to start off with is taquitos. I'm showing you a picture, supposedly, if it works, of the taquitos, frozen taquitos. Now, normally you put these in the oven and you cook them, and they're crunchy. Yeah, but the way Papa does it, they turn into enchiladas and they're soft. And this is goodness here. Let's move on. So what we do at this point, you see this glass bowl, plate, whatever you want to call it, and you put them taquitos in there like that. I probably would have gotten in trouble for cooking with her glass thing and the air fryer or the Z grills, but that's the way it goes. Next ingredients. Now the chili. We use Texas chili in a box, and it comes in a baggie, and you heat it up, and it's awesome. No beans. Now, I'm right-handed, so I don't know what you're going to see here, but what you do is you pour this on top of the taquitos, and then we got one more ingredients, and then we put it in the oven. All right, we'll be back for the third item. All right, so now we have Borden cheddar and Monterey Jack finely shredded cheese blend. Now, what we're going to do, Gigi said she's going to cook it at 350 for 20-25 minutes. She'll keep an eye on it. And then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. And we'll be right back. This looks freaking awesome! Hit that bell! Yeah! That is going to be freaking awesome. Alright, let's get on the plate. Alright, I think I can see this. We're just going to take this little bit right here. Gigi, she's like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is so smooth and soft, people. This is the way to go for a cheap, fast, quick cook. It's Booger's fault. Yeah! This is it, y'all. Check this out. Can y'all see that? Oh, let's get it in the video. Nice and soft. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Hit that bell! Comes back and hits you. Nice and soft. And freaking, that right there, seriously, tastes like enchiladas. That's what it is. You've got to share this. Thumbs it up. Because it's freaking awesome and easy. Yes, it is. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Let's go with another bite. Right here. Bam! All I can taste is enchilada. Isn't that really cool? We came up with this by accident. Just because I want to try it out. This Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Subscribe. Thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Next Sunday. Yeah. Come check me out every Sunday. Yeah. It's Papa. See ya.